Hello, I'm Tavleen from excelplugins.com, and if you are a WooCommerce store owner, you have stumbled upon a pot of gold. Alright, so I'm going to do product page teardowns, and well, you will have immense opportunity to learn from them. So what I'm going to do is I will take you through a product detail page and show you maybe 2 or 3 major tweaks that can be made in that product page for it to convert better. So for more details, please head out to excelplugin.com/WooCommerce sales triggers, right? And right now, just strap on your belts because it will be an interesting ride. So let's get started. So this is the product page, the product detail page that we're looking at, and I'm going to quickly tell you some tweaks that can be done to make this product page convert higher. Now there could be a lot of tweaks that I could actually highlight, but I'm going to restrict myself to only 2. Yes, so they're going to be really interesting, and they will be pretty important. So if you're making the same mistakes, well, I'll give you a heads up. Take note of everything that I tell you here. Alright, so let's get started. Now this is actually a store which is selling teething necklace for moms, and as you can see, they have the heading here, and then they have the price, and then the add to cart button, right? Now what's really missing here is that they do not have any information about the shipment and delivery details, and this is a huge mistake. I'll tell you why. The number one reason why people actually end up abandoning carts is because unexpected shipment delivery fees shows up and they weren't prepared for it. So what do? Well, their reflex action is just press the exit button and abandon the cart, right? And you don't want people to do that. So what do you need to do in your defense? Well, obviously, tell them something about the shipment and delivery. So I will show you how you can do that. Now, if you're a WooCommerce store owner, you simply have to go ahead and install Excel Sales Triggers. I will give you details of that, but first let me show you how it can really help you in this particular case, right? So here what we've done is, once you've installed the Excel Sales Triggers, then you go to Trigger Settings and you've got all these options here. So we're going to select the guarantee trigger, right? So we've got hassle-free returns, no questions asked, 30-day return policy. If that is the case for your store, go ahead and give this guarantee. If not, well, you're most welcome to just strike it out, or you can always change it, right? So if you have an exchange policy or whatever it is, well, you're most welcome to write it, because as you can see, this is completely editable. Now, in this case, all right, so in this case, it says $22.5. So what we can do is that we can add our own text here, right? Now I have some canned options available for you. So let me just show you what I have. So we could say unlock free shipping by making your purchase worth $30, or we could say get free shipping on orders over $30, right? So this could be on the product page itself. We will ship the items free when you make purchase worth $30, or this is even more persuasive, we'll take care of shipment and delivery charges on orders over $30, or 100% free shipping when your purchase is over $30, right? So you could use any of these templates, simply just have it here, and you can have whatever your threshold is. Now watch what I do. Before that, let me actually show you something really interesting. So we can have a built-in icon here. So for example, like for this one, I could just choose let me show you. So I could choose shipment van, right? So an icon like this, and then I can have one of these messages. So I will say unlock free shipping by making your purchase worth $30, right? So this would appear there, and then what I will do is that I will go down to the rule builder. Now rule builder actually prevents the hassle of going down to independent product pages to activate some triggers, right? So you can just set some rules from one location, and then it will activate the triggers only on those products. So let me show you. Now this is really interesting. So let's we're going to say product price is less than $30, right? So essentially what we're saying is that only show this when the product price is actually less than $30. Do not show this when it is over $30. What will you show when it is over $30 is something which I will show you just in a bit. But before that, let me just show you this. All right, so let's actually keep this message. It's just so much more persuasive, right? We will ship the items free when you, or we will take care of the shipment and delivery charges on orders over $30, right? So this is what we've done, that we have specifically told the rule builder that please only show this message on orders less than 30 on items which are priced less than $30, right? So let me show you how it appears on the front end now. We're going to update this, right? So this is the front end. So well, this is how it will appear. As you can notice that the price of this particular product is $19, which is obviously less than $30, which is why this particular box is actually appearing on this particular product, right? And we have these nice icons which are appearing so that it really stands out. Now let me show you what we will do on products which are priced over $30 and how you can use it as an opportunity to encourage shoppers into shopping. We're going to add a sales trigger, and we're going to say that, well, this is guarantee. So, all right, I want you to show hassle-free return. I want you to show secure checkout. But when it comes to this, I want you to say free shipping. Now, just watch what I do. We're going to say this item will be shipped free, right? And then we're going to go to the rule builder and say that activate this when the product price is greater or equal to $30, right? And we're going to say publish this. So what we've done is that only on products which are over $30 we've done this. So I'm going to show it to you on a product which is actually over $30. As you can see, there's $35 and clearly it says this item will be shipped free, right? So again, it is not a missing piece of jigsaw now. They have complete information about the product, and of course they will be encouraged to cart this item. Why? Because there's free shipping on it, right? And we've let them know in advance, right? Again, let me show you something even more interesting. So when you add to cart this, and then kind of you go on the cart, and well, then it says that gift wrapping is also available. This could be a great incentive to lure shoppers, especially those who are thinking of gifting it to someone. So the product page doesn't tell them about anything. That doesn't tell them about the gifting thing, right? So we could also give that information through sales triggers. How? Well, simply by saying add sales triggers. So we're going to add one more sales trigger, and this will be guarantee because it appears on the product page. So we're going to say we don't want this, we don't want this, we don't want this. We just want one guarantee, which will be one piece of text, which will be gift wrapping available. Okay, and we're going to say thinking of gifting it to a new mama. Gift wrapping available, add your note at the checkout, and we're going to select one item which will be gift on hand. So this looks pretty cool. And what we're going to do is we're going to say that show this trigger below the add to cart button, right? And then we will publish it. So what we've essentially done is that we've actually told them that gift wrapping is available, and we've made its position below the add to cart button so that it doesn't really interfere with the other stuff. Right, so let me take you to the front end and show you how it appears. Yep, so here you go. So you've got the built-in icon, and then you've got gift wrapping available, thinking of gifting it to a new mama. Well, add your note at the checkout, right? So you have the add to cart button, and below that you have this text written. So of course it gives them an idea that they would also be able to gift wrap it, right? So now that is the guarantee trigger for you, and there are many more options here. Well, the 7 powerful shopper psychology backed triggers which will actually help you convert at a higher rate on your store. So I would encourage you to head out to this link, which is excelplugins.com/WooCommerce sales triggers, and well, you're always welcome to view the demo, or you can make a purchase and activate these triggers on your WooCommerce store page. You also get to see how the before and after looks like. So this is before, which probably is currently your WooCommerce product detail page, and this is after with all the triggers activated. So go ahead and explore, head out to this link, and yeah, you're the best judge. Thank you so much.